Hello everyone, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how I make my very own Ayurvedic inspired hair oil. Here's a picture I posted on Instagram. I've been using this oil since I big chopped and it has been vital in helping me grow out my natural 4C hair. So I am very excited to share this recipe with you guys. There are numerous Ayurvedic recipes out there. However, my goal with this recipe was to strengthen my strands, nourish and rejuvenate my hair, promote soft and manageable hair, and also promote hair growth. Now, according to my Ayurvedic research, these oils and medicines originated in India and have been around for more than 5,000 years. So I encourage you to do your very own research, come up with a recipe in oils that target your individual hair issues and goals, and then just make it and go for it. Let's dive into the recipe. First up is fenugreek seeds. These seeds are rich in vitamin C. They contain iron and protein. Fenugreek seeds are known to treat a variety of scalp issues like dryness, hair thinning, and they also help to promote healthy hair growth and strengthen your hair follicles. Next up is MSM powder. It is known to help increase a healthy hair growth, improves your overall health and thickness of your hair, and really helps create a healthy appearance. Marshmallow powder. This powder is found in numerous hair conditioners. It is known for providing slip, conditioning, and hydrating each individual strand, and is also used in a lot of deep conditioners. And the very last powder I'll be using is Amla powder. This is a very popular powder that is used to address a variety of hair issues. It helps fight dandruff, coats and nourishes your hair and scalp, and it also adds some additional texture, promotes healthy hair growth, and adds volume to your natural hair. Now onto the oils. First up is coconut oil. This is a staple oil that I've raved about in past videos and IG posts. I mainly use this oil to add an additional shine and luster to my hair and also to seal in moisture. I went ahead and I melted this oil in the microwave for about a minute or two, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in the olive oil. This is another staple oil that I have raved about. This oil adds moisture, reduces scalp irritation and dandruff, and it also adds a shine and luster to my hair that really helps to soften and soothe the outer cuticles of my hair. I also added some castor oil. Now, castor oil is also a very popular oil in the hair and beauty industry. It works in a similar way to the olive oil, where it helps to promote healthy hair growth, moisturizes my scalp, and really enhances the overall health of my hair. The last oil is peppermint oil. It has a fresh smell, and when it's applied to the scalp, creates a tingling sensation. When massaged in, it helps with blood circulation and hair growth. So now we're just going to go ahead and add in all of our dry ingredients: the fenugreek seeds, marshmallow roots, MSM powder, and the amla powder. So we're just going to mix it very well and allow it to sit on low heat for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, I let it cool for about 2 minutes or so, and now we're getting ready to transfer it into the mason jar. So we are just simply going to open up the mason jar, simply pour the mixture into the jar, and make sure that we get all of the fenugreek seeds into that jar so that everything is nice and well mixed in, and so it can all soak and mesh together. And here is a look at the oil once it's in the mason jar. It is brown and it has a slightly thick consistency. So next we're just going to take the oil and we are going to place it in the window to allow direct sunlight to further infuse the oils, extract all of the vital properties and healing properties that help to nourish your hair. I allow this mixture to sit about 8 hours before use, and I would recommend not allowing this to sit any further beyond 4 weeks. So next I'm just going to take 2 mesh caps and put them into one another like you see there. And we're just going to place it into our container like so. And then I did secure it with an outless band around the perimeter, and then just go ahead and pour in this mixture. And once you pour it in, allow it to just sit and drip into the jar, and then at the bottom you'll see it'll create a nice and healthy oil. After 30 minutes, remove the cap and you'll have mostly powder left over inside of the cap, along with your oil sitting at the bottom of the container. All right, and I did try to gently squeeze a little bit more oil, but for the most part, it's just that powder consistency that you'll feel within that cap. Next, I'm going to transfer this mixture into my applicator bottle. I did go ahead and make my own cardboard funnel to help me transfer the oil into the applicator bottle. All right, so here is the oil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour it in. As you can see, it's going directly into the applicator bottle. Once you are done, go ahead and just remove the funnel, close up this applicator bottle, and now the oil is ready for use and ready to be applied to my scalp. Now I've had this protective style in for 3 weeks and counting, and as you can see, I have had a lot of growth since using this oil. I simply apply the oil to my scalp, massage it in with my fingers, and repeat this process all over my head. In return, this increases blood circulation when it's applied, and it really soothes my scalp and helps to maintain healthy hair growth and keeps my hair really nice and moisturized. Right, I apply this oil every day at night only. However, you can apply it twice a day. It's your preference. And so this is my very own Ayurvedic hair inspired oil, which honestly is a staple oil in my regimen, and I will continue to evolve this oil over time and use it for hot oil treatments, pre-poo, and overall to seal in moisture and also to moisturize my scalp. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share with all of your family and friends. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment sections or on IG. Thank you all so much for watching. I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.